आज का हमारा टॉपिक है क्लाइमेट, जो आपका चैप्टर नंबर 8 है। हमको क्लाइमेट के बारे में जानना है और हम क्लाइमेट को जाने इसके पहले हमें कुछ वर्ड और जानना चाहिए। आप देखिए, वी शुड नो अबाउट वेदर, सीजन एंड देन क्लाइमेट। We should know what is difference between weather, season and climate and what is common things in them. आप जान ले बच्चों, विदिन 24 आवर जो भी क्लाइमेटिक चेंज होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड वेदर। ध्यान रहे, विदिन 24 आवर वट एवर चेंजेज हैपन्स इन temperature and rainfall, that is called weather. And when we talk about season, it happens after 3 or 4 months. It means whatever climatic change happens after 3 or 4 months, that is called season. I think you know very well about rainy season, winter season, summer season. All these happens after 3 or 4 months. It is season. It means when after 3 or 4 months in temperature and rainfall changes happens, then that is called season. And when after thousands of years climatic change occurs, then that is called climate. I want to tell you, it means when after thousands of years in temperature and rainfall you find difference, then that is called climate. I think you have understood about weather, season and climate. There's difference of time. When we talk about weather, there's 24 hours. When we talk about season, there are 3 or 4 months. And when we talk about climate, that is of 1,000 of years. But one thing common also, I have written here, common thing is a temperature and rainfall. Whether we talk about weather or season or climate, but common thing is temperature and rainfall. It means whatever changes occurs, that is a temperature and rainfall, whether we are talking about weather, season or climate. I think you have understood a difference of weather, season and climate, and our topic is it is given about climate. Okay, let's go ahead. At first we should know that which type of climate is found in India, because this our topic is climate of India. So at first we should know what types of climate is found in India. You can see here a tropical monsoon type of climate is found in India. Tropical monsoon type of climate. Why this name is given? Because India lies between tropical zone. Half part India lies between tropical zone. You try to understand with the help of this map. What is tropical zone? Very clearly you can see here. It is equator line. It is written here. It is a tropic of Cancer and tropic of Capricorn. You can see here 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degrees south. Between this area, it is called a tropical zone or torrid zone. India also lies in some part of India, not some, but I can say that 50%, about 50% area of India is under tropical zone. That's why Indian climate is called tropical, or next word is given monsoon. One more figure I want to provide you. You see, try to understand it. This is a Tropic of Cancer. I have written here Tropic of Cancer. You can see. It is a 23.5 degree. I am written here. You see. तो ये आपका ये हाफ पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया इज ए अंडर ट्रॉपिकल जोन एंड रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया इज ए टेम्परेट जोन. That's why in India there is high temperature, but before it I want to tell you that name is given tropical because a big part of India is under a tropical zone. Second word is given here, monsoon. Why monsoon word is given? Then you can understand it with the help of this word monsoon here. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word मौसम. ये अरेबिक वर्ड मौसम से मानसून बना हुआ है, विच मीन्स सीजन. इसका मीन्स क्या होता है? सीजन. मानसून रिफर्स टू द सीजनल रिवर्सल इन द विंड डायरेक्शन. विंड डायरेक्शन में सीजनल रिवर्सल इसमें होता है. यानी ये कहना चाहते हैं कि आफ्टर ए few months direction of wind changes. Try to understand here. Means कुछ दिनों के लिए विंड इस तरह से यहाँ पर चलती है इस एरिया में, और आफ्टर फ्यू मंथ्स इट रिटर्न्स, इट चेंज इट डायरेक्शन लाइक दिस. It means reversal of wind happens here and our climate is affected by such wind. That's why it is called monsoon. Here is written during a year. कहता साल भर में जो विंड की डायरेक्शन होती है वह चेंज होती रहती है सीजनली, तो इसलिए इसको कहा जाता है मानसून. दैट्स वाई द नेम ऑफ इंडियन मानसून इज ट्रॉपिकल मानसून टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट. You try to understand that in your examination such question can be asked that which type of monsoon, which type of climate is found in India. Then you will write a tropical monsoon type of climate. First point. Second, you can see here India lies in tropical belt. Already I have told you and I have shown you on the map. And its climate is influenced by monsoon winds. हमारे यहाँ की जो क्लाइमेट है, जो इंडियन क्लाइमेट है, वह मानसून विंड से प्रभावित होती है. Therefore it is called tropical monsoon type of climate. Second point, you see what is characteristics of Indian tropical monsoon type of climate. You see here high temperature, dry winter. It means it wants to tell that in India there is a high temperature. Actually half part of India is under a tropical zone. That's why there is high temperature. And in our India there is dry winter. It means in winter season there's no rainfall. There's rainy season in my country. That's another season. Rainy season. Now, some major points which is given in your book, you can see here I have written a temperature. Temperature. Highest temperature in India is found in Barmer, Rajasthan. Barmer, Rajasthan. There highest temperature is found of India, and temperature is about 48 degree centigrade to 50 degree centigrade. When we talk about rainfall, heaviest rainfall is received in Masinram. In Meghalaya, and least rainfall in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. It was major point. I think you have understood it.